In this video, I'm going to go over how I made $10,000 profit in 1 week in selling used books on Amazon and how you can accomplish the same if you follow the steps I'm about to line out. And if you guys stay until the end of this video, I have something really special for you, special gift. So stay until the end and let's get into it. So 4 years ago, I was salsa dancing at a club, and that was here in Nashville, Tennessee. And I found out that there was a college closing down in Columbia, South Carolina. So 11:30 p.m. at night, I leave the salsa club. I drive 9 hours to Columbia, South Carolina. And then the morning, I got there in the morning, 8, 9 a.m., whatever. And I go in and I shake the hand of whoever was at the school, whether it was the president or whoever, I don't remember at the time. And I said, hey, I'll buy your books from you for $2, $3 a pop. And they're like, great. We just want them gone. The college was closing and they didn't want to have to lug out all these books. So I went in there with my phone, and this is a very important step. Download Scout IQ. Scout IQ is an app that tells you exactly how much profit each book will make you selling on Amazon. And here's an example of a book. All you got to do is scan the book here, the barcode of the book, just like that. And this app, wait for me to scan it. So as you can see, this book is going to make $13 profit, and we'll put a breakdown of the fees on the screen here. The price of the book is $24.29. Amazon's going to take a $3.64 referral fee. That's a 15% cut that they take just for selling on Amazon. Then there's a $1.80 closing fee, $5.40 FBA fee. So this is a fee they charge to prep and pack your book in a box and ship it to the customer. That is a great service they offer. They'll actually handle all shipping, customer service, everything. So super great service. And then the total fees come out to $10.87. And the inbound shipping, so that's a fee to ship the books to Amazon. I was able to ship about 30 boxes of books from this college directly to Amazon. So I did not need to drive these books back to Nashville. I shipped them directly from the college to Amazon, where Amazon would then store, prep, ship the books to the customer, and handle customer service. All I need to do is reprice the books. It's still my book. I own 100% of the books that I send to Amazon, but they handle all the prep to the customer. So great service that they offer. And then that was about 34 cents, 25 cents per pound, which came out to, for this book would be 34 cents because it's 1 pound and 1.3 pounds. So I use that app, and also the app will turn red if the book is not profitable. So let's just put an example in here. And you can also include the buy cost of the book. So let's just say we had to pay $10 for this book. It would not make it profitable. So you see it turns red if the book is rejected, and it turns green if the book is accepted. So what I did was I went in the school, and there was a ton of people in there. You know, people were buying the printers, people were buying the computers, but hey, I was the only one buying the books, and realistically, those books may have been the most profitable thing in the school. I'm pretty sure the printers were really profitable too. I probably missed out on that, but I don't know if I could have profitably shipped the printers to Amazon FBA, but I know 100% I was able to prep and pack all those books and get them out the door from the college to Amazon, and I could just drive away in my Toyota Corolla and make, it was $20,000 gross profit, and I split the profit with my friend because my friend told me about the college that was closing down. So I cut him in on the deal, or he cut me in on the deal, whichever way you want to look at it. And so yeah, red if it's bad, green if it's good. Scout IQ is the name of the app. I'll link that below. There's other apps out there, but I know the owner of this one, and I like the guy. And yeah, loyalty. I guess loyalty is important in this business, right? So Scout IQ is what I used. And then I listed all the books with a listing software, which allowed me to quickly just scan the books in. I don't even think I labeled them. I paid Amazon 30 cents to label each book for me. And then I put them in boxes about this size. Right here, small boxes are the best. You guys can use 12 by 16 by 12 boxes. The extra smalls are actually better. It's 10 by 15 by 12. And these are perfect for textbooks because you'll never be able to fill these over 50 pounds. And Amazon will charge you and temporarily suspend your shipping abilities if you do go over 50 pounds. You want to make sure to keep the box under 50 pounds, and these extra small Home Depot boxes are perfect for textbooks. If you're doing regular books, you can go up to small size because regular books aren't as dense as textbooks. but extra small ensures that the textbooks will never go over 50 pounds. So you're probably thinking, how the hell can you replicate the results that I did in order to make $20,000 gross profit, $10,000 profit for myself in one weekend? Well, let me tell you the easiest way to get started. The easiest way to get started is go to thrift stores, libraries. You can also go to used bookstores. You can go on Nextdoor. Nextdoor is an app, and you can offer free book pickup service. And those are really like the best ways to start selling books. You can go on Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace. These are great places just to find, you'll find $500 to $1,000 profit at these different locations if you put the work in. Now, how do you come across a deal where you're making $20,000 profit in one weekend? The way you do this is you find a really good source of books. And in this case, it was a college bookstore. So what you guys could do is type in colleges closing down on Google. But colleges aren't the only places that have profitable books. Libraries do too. Look up libraries closing down, libraries liquidating. You could also look up, people looking to get rid of their collections of books, which you'll find on Craigslist. All it takes is one person that has a huge collection. Maybe it's a preacher that has a collection of really rare books. Like this concept of selling books on Amazon, some people are going to make a McDonald's salary selling on Amazon because all they ever do is go to their Goodwill. But then there's some people in this game who are going to be making $300, $400, $1 million plus a year selling books on Amazon because they were willing to think outside the box and go upstream. So really think outside the box. Like I just listed 1% of places to get books. There are so many other places to get books, and the better books are going to be the books that are further and further away from the shelf that's available to the general public. Sure, there's tons and tons of profitable books on those shelves at Goodwill, at your used bookstore, at Salvation Army, at Savers, at, all different places. But the money to be had, if you guys really want to get these home run deals, is to find the books that no one else has access to that are super profitable. And there's so many different ways to do it. And I actually lay out in my course a bunch of out-of-the-box strategies to find books. I actually lay out exactly what triggers I use on Scout IQ, what profit triggers I use to accept the books. And I also lay out how to list books on Amazon and reprice books, everything. It's a $400 course, but like I said, I had a gift for you at the end of this video, and that is my gift to you. I'm going to give you my $400 course absolutely free. Just click the link below, and it's going to sign you up for a challenge, and the challenge is geared towards getting your first shipment out the door to Amazon FBA. So in 30 days, we'll teach you how to get your first shipment out the door. You'll get access to this course, private coaching calls. You get to meet me, not private, but it's a private group setting. I guarantee you we'll get to talk one-on-one on the calls. So click the link below. That's going to give you access to my complete step-by-step course. And the goal is in 30 days to get your first shipment out to Amazon. So, and if you're already selling on Amazon and you just want to push yourself, then go ahead and click the link below too, because it's a challenge where you set a profit goal, and in 30 days you go balls to the wall to hit that profit goal. And in my case, I'm doing this challenge all year. So all 2024, I'm doing the Feed the Beast challenge, where I have my goal of at least $10,000 profit shipped out to Amazon every month for my Amazon business. So whatever your goal is, you can join the challenge and share it with the community. And yeah, great way to have yourself be held accountable. And thank you so much for watching this video. Catch you in the next one. Peace.